Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're moving on to the Lexus. It's been a little while, we're doing some move stuff, but we're back on the Lexus and we're gonna start working on the motor. So I've ordered some parts. I'll get into them, but first of all, let's get this intro. Alrighty, so where we're at basically is that Lexus is sitting up there. I've still actually got some more rust repair to do on it, but that can happen another time. I want to work on this. So I've ordered some parts from Golby's. I'll go inside and get them shortly. But the plans for this are, we're just going to do a refresh. So refresh, not as in the sense of new bearings and stuff like that. We'll leave it because I don't think it's done many kilometers. So what we're going to do is a timing belt kit, new water pump, got a front rear main seal, got cam seals. I've got new gaskets for these. Got new washers to go on there. I think that's pretty much it, eh? So then we'll paint the whole motor, we'll get it all looking nice and schmick, put the new turbo on, and basically just get it ready to go into the car. And then we can hook it up to the gearbox. I'll have to get a clutch. But yeah, so let's get into stripping this motor externally and start making it look good. And we're back. So here's a bit of a part overview with all the rubbish on top. So we've got brand new genuine water pump from Golby's for the 1JZ vvti. We've got some GRP cam cover gaskets and some of the little washers. We've got a Gates high performance timing belt kit, which also came with a new bearing and a new hydraulic tensioner and 2 cam seals and front main, and then we also ordered rear main. So we've got all that to install plus refresh the motor. But yeah, so that's the plans. Just gonna give it a bit of a birthday, and I think it should be pretty good after that. So well, I've got the other side pulled apart a bit more, but I've got to pull this side apart to get this water pipe that goes in through here. It goes all in behind there, yeah. Anyway, but this thing's so cool. Look at that, rainbow bolts. I did not know JZs came with rainbow. I don't know any motors that came with rainbow bolts. So like, yeah, JZ the world. It's so cool. Okay, so back out working on the Lexus. I've given this, so I'm doing this part, the cast iron block, I guess you could call it. I've given that a wash over with degreaser and scrubbed it and rinsed it off with some water. And yeah, so now we're pretty much ready to give it a bit of a lick of paint. So we'll mask it up roughly and paint it. So yeah, this is the before, and then we'll see what it looks like after it's painted. Okay, so pretty much ready to paint. I've just got like it's actually a brake caliper paint, but I find it looks nicer. It's still good for heat, but I find it comes up like a glossier finish than your actual engine enamels you can buy. They come out really matte, so I like these. They work better and they still last well. So yeah, let's paint this block. Alright, so we're about to paint the tapper covers. Basically what I've got is, unlike the Move, I've decided to go for like a wrinkle finish. I don't know, just going a bit of a stealth look. I'm probably really close to the camera, but anyway. But yeah, so see how it goes. I've done a little part like I showed him before, but yeah, so let's get these coated. So I've also just done a bit of research, and a mate of mine let me know that you can use a heat gun once you put your coats on to help dry it, and it gives it a nicer wrinkle finish. So yeah, all we can do is give it a go now. Hey, let's do it. Okay, so yeah, I've done a bit of work off camera just because obviously you'll get bored watching me. But it's all pretty much painted. I've painted these little front caps, as you saw, got them painted. They're all dry. So I've put the seals into the cam covers. New seals from somewhere. I'll put it in the video after this. They fitted perfectly, so yeah, it's time to. I've pulled the seals out. We'll put new ones back in, but it's time to put these covers back on. So the motor's coming together really well. As you can see, we've got all the timing belts and everything, all the front assembly with the new water pump, new hydraulic tensioner, new bearing, all that all back on. Yeah, it's coming together really well, so we'll keep going. But anyway, thanks for watching. We'll kind of split it up so that it doesn't get too boring, but we'll keep going in the next video. Thank you.